Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Life is abundant and life is beautiful. Let us open our heart, our mind, and our soul for our nature. It's all wonderful. It's perfect and it's very, very nice in this world. Just enjoy and relax every minute, every seconds of your life.
May ano raw mamaya, may bagyo. Ha? I-search mo lang ng internet.
Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. By Albert Einstein.
Was macht die?
Tara dito tayo sa aming vegetables and flower garden. Ang daming damo. Kuhain natin. Teka lang, may poging dumaan.
Sagbot. Ha? Sagbot. Daghan sagbot. Maraming sagbot.
So, this is our vegetable garden and we rented it every year. And then we planted our food in here and this is one of our food source. And garden is also one of our stress reliever. And this is our little garden at home. This is one of my stress reliever area. If I came home from my work, I just have to sit down in the shadow area and observing the insects, bees, butterflies, and the chirping of the birds. It's very, very nice. Collecting strawberries in our front garden is also makes me happy and lots of fun. These strawberries are very sweet and juicy, and it's nice because you planted it by your own hand and now you harvested it, and you also know that it's very organic. I don't want to use any pesticide at home or in our farm or in our garden. I encourage you guys, please don't spray or use any pesticide in your garden or farm because it's not good for the insects. It will kill the little creature and we have to protect them because as we all know that insects are very, very important in our life cycle. We have to protect them. And chemicals are not good for our body. We did our own compost at home or in our garden. That means all the leaves, we didn't throw it away, but we put it in the compost heap, and then we will put it in our plants, vegetables, and flowers. That's one of our fertilizer. I'm very proud of my work here in Germany. My work is a gardener. I planted lots of flowers, perennials, trees, shrubs for the insects and for the people, and it makes me happy. What I love in this work is because you can create your own fantasy, and you can help a lot for the bees and insects. And we give happiness to people also, because the surroundings are clean and green and beautiful, full of flowers every month. So I encourage you to grow your own food, vegetables, or whatever you can grow in your yard. And if you don't have any garden, then you can also plant it in the pot or in a container. Just plant, plant, and plant. It makes a lot of fun if you see, or if you can harvest in it. Flowers, trees, or green can make our Mother Earth happy. Let's do it together. Plant something. If you can plant trees, much better. Plant something and be the part of the change. Be the part of protecting our nature and our home, which is Mother Earth. Bye for now, and thank you so much for watching. Please keep on sharing and teaching others so that they will also be aware.